Welcome back, people. In this video, we will learn about the length and slice properties of a string. First, let's look at how to retrieve the number of characters in a string. So here we have a string called name and it has a value supporting tech. We are going to print the length of the string. To do that, we use the length property of the string. Here we used console.log name.length. Let's run this. You get 14 as output because the length of the string is 14. This is pretty easy, right? So let's look at an challenge. In previous versions of Twitter, per tweet can have only 140 characters. Now it is doubled, which is 280. So what we are going to do is write a JS code to create a prompt where user can enter the text and output will be how many characters they have written and how many characters they have remaining out of 280 characters. So take your time and write the code. I already have the code here. So in the first line, we get the input from the user and store it in a variable called tweet. In second line, we find the length of the tweet. In the third line, we print how many characters we have written using the length of the tweet and how many characters are left using 280 minus length of the tweet. Now let's run this. To run this, what we will do is create a index.html file and create a link to the script, that is to the JS file here, and then run it in the live server. So initially you get a prompt with right here as label. So let's write something over here and press OK. You have written 34 characters and you have 246 characters left as output. This is how you retrieve the length of the string. So next we will see how to slice a string. So for this we will go to the browser. We use the function called slice x comma y to slice a string. X and y are two arguments that are passed to the slice function. We already have a name variable which has a value supporting tech. What we have to remember here is the index of the string starts from 0, so inside the bracket or parenthesis we give the value 0, comma 1. This means it gives all the characters from the index 0 to 1 but not including 1. So it will give whatever character is present in the 0th index. Here we have S in the 0th index. So when we run this, we get S as output. What if we want uppercase T? Then what we will do is give the index of T, which is 10, and the next index, which is 11, and then press enter, we get T as output. Now we are going to write a code to slice the name so that you get output as TEC. So 10 is the index of T, 11 is E, 12 is C, and 13 is H. So we want to get up to 13. We don't need 14, so we'll put 14 here and then press enter. You get tech as output. So I hope you would have understood the length property and slice function of the string. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.